I come back. My name is Teba. This is my sister, Sata. Sata.
It's 2 people. Okay, no.
How's the quality now? Because apparently it wasn't so good. Apparently,
The quality was not that.
apparently, allegedly, affordably, when you join and apologize. You don't join to say, Z, you're my crush. You join and you apologize. There are a lot of hit makers in this life. I see Tycoon. I see Chaotic. Yeah? Is the quality
Is the
okay?
quality fine, guys?
666 plus Dalabatini. Illuminati. Even in the fire.
But nigga 10 years.
Umzimo wam.
Yeah, phone call, guys. So this live, can't you know how to? We are going to
It's about to go down.
eat.
The topic.
Yeah. We pala bupi.
Bafakele lapho.
Where do you write the topic? I comment le. Yeah, I think. Yeah, then we pin.
Iphinwa njani?
Oh yeah, no.
Ezingqumana.
I can't. Apologize.
Technology.
Apologize.
Okay, this one is interesting, yeah?
Yeah.
We are about to make a phone call.
To your.
If you guys don't believe me,
To your. To what? Apologize.
apologize. Hashtag don't. It's the telephone number.
I don't
So
really
you
have
also
a
need to
phone
please
number.
come to the UK.
Zandi,
I am
apologize to ini.
You know, apologize, Akile. It doesn't mean Buzz was born in one. I am coming to the UK.
Send. Pin.
I read the comments.
Pin.
Yeah, I was on trailer is interesting. Because maningi.
We ngosamnayo ke uyanas.
Let's go.
They say before you start, could you please do your intro?
Okay, let's get to 700. I'm doing my intro.
0, 7,
Oh.
1, 2, 6, 8,
That's
8.
not the number.
Boring.
Boring. It is 069.
Jordan. I'm with Z here. Yeah, the number you gave us is not going through. Here, just prove Z.
Yeah?
We're gonna try call again. If it
Yeah,
doesn't,
can you-
if it doesn't work, you must tell us what you
Yeah, can you? No. we
Yeah,
want the-
no, he can. We will apologize on your behalf.
did. But you must tell us what you did.
We will apologize on your behalf because you trust us. Are you sure you trust us? Yes, so we
But
will
you-
apologize.
but
Ah,
you-
sakile phuma nasila. Ne? So wenza njalo. Wena ngubani wakuphi? Jordan from where? Limpopo. Okay. Jordan from Bilabila Limpopo is about to apologize. Asifone kokugcina. Le number yakho voicemail. Akanayo yini? Sorry? Akanayo yini number? No, phela sifuna siku live manje. Are you watching the live? We're on live. We are about to apologize on your behalf. Akanayo yini number? Yeah, check number yakhe simfonele manje ne.
But tell us what he did. What did
Yeah,
he do?
What did you do?
He's checking the number.
So check number. Ukumishile umuntu.
Did something.
Yabo.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
18 bani? Okay.
Say it again one more time.
184. E072-184.
The phone call is not audible.
Kanjani?
They want to hear the speaker as well.
184 bani.
Ah, but they be giving.
Okay, siyafona manje.
Manje siyakhuluma nobani?
All these numbers are
Ayaku voicemail
You
mana.
must just tell us what you did.
Yeah,
I'm
just tell us
saying.
what you did. Because now, like, you're wasting time. There's so many people waiting to tell us.
Black is listening to you. What did you do, Ishapel?
I would like to apologize for backstabbing here, going behind the veil.
What did you do?
I backstabbed him. I took things that we discussed with each other and passed them to her enemy.
To the enemy.
Say that to people.
Her enemy.
Why? Ish.
Say back to the people.
Ish. Ish. It's difficult, you know?
I'm saying say back as you say it. So
Ngithi?
what's he? I backstabbed the person.
Are you watching
He said
the
he
live?
backstabbed the person.
Oh. Hey, manje senze njani baba? Ulalelwe ama hitmaker la otycoon bakhona. Soxolisa soyenza ingoma ngayo lento yakho kusasa.
Yeah, reveal if you're listening to this. I would like to apologize for it.
Refillwe.
Guys, we also
I
have someone
need
who
that
wants to
for.
apologize.
Okay, Refilwe, if you are listening to this, or if you happen to come across this live video, Jordan uthanda ukuxolisa for what he did. He didn't mean to do it. It was not his intention. Slow. Refilwe Likalakala from Limpopo Vila would like to apologize. Sale kahle baba yos. Sharp. Shame. Usuke usumthanda ngempela umuntu momyela kuma live. Oh, barora banban.
Okay, we got someone. TK is in the comments. TK.
Hey. You believe?
Did you accept it?
For sure, ukipumile.
Yes, put your name.
Uyinkosi.
Yeah.
Muniyeni isihlalo somkhosi. Abanye
Ayithensi-ke le ngithanda ukuphuma kuyona.
bambihloli. Uyinkosi. Ngicela sikuthakazele kuqala before you start. You want me to thakazela you?
Ubani isibongo sakho?
Eh?
What's your surname?
Mwelase.
Mwelas. Yes.
Indoda modern day. Mina ngifuna ukuqala ngele yamanje sakhile ngoba kanti so. Ufuna ngikuthakazele kuqala.
Sakaza zi.
Sibona la.
But wena phela uzofuna ithakazelo zangempela. Uyinkosi. Munikeni isihlalo sobukhosi. Abanye bambiza umsholozi manje. Uyinkosi. Angembize into engaka ndosi ngithiyane zikode ntombela mpungoze.
Ngeke bafethu.
Ngeke
Abantu
endabeni
abangathini.
sithe asingabe sisaqhaza kakhulu.
Aba-understand abantu ngiyababona. Like abafuneki ukungi-understand ngiyababona. Like
Kanjani? Because bathi wena you cheated.
yeah, vele you'll take it from the points of view that you want to see. Yabo. There's a reason why ngangithule in this whole commotion that happened.
What? Tell me,
Mina
aren't you young?
Kanti how old do you think I am? Ngakubuza naleyo.
Tell you what.
Ngona wathi
Una
ngingane.
18 sonke siyazi.
Uyazibona ngimdala.
Ampura uyazibona ukuthi udakiwe.
Uthi nangake? Uthi
Aren't you
nangake?
18?
No.
How old are you?
maqala wena ubatshele i-age yakho.
Ah, okay,
Uyabona-ke, uyabona-ke.
Guys, the people watching from Namibia, they asked you to speak in English.
No. Oh, but the people from Namibia want to talk in English.
Speak in English. Oh my days. All right.
Just
But
is gonna.
what I'm trying to say is that people don't understand. Yeah, well, they want me to agree with whatever is happening. You feel?
Said no too much English, meaning young laugh happen. Ah, oh, Maravel. No too much. It will mix a gangan.
Nanguchopha ukuthi I also apologize.
Yambona puta. Uchopha apologize but chopha udlala ngathi. Continue Teddy.
Uchopa. Ah,
Uthi nayo ufuna uku-apologize.
lapho mfethu, you're supposed to meet nochopa manje-ke.
Network. Okay,
Okay.
what's going on?
Xoxa.
Okay. If elale, or if this person is listening, sengikhuluma ngesingisi-ke ngesilungu. Cela ninga-screen record.
Bangena same time, but it's fine.
Wangena?
No,
No, sorry.
All right. So I'm apologizing for, the miscommunication that happened between us, that we didn't understand each other more. I feel like if we were more, we could have understood the situation in a more sophisticated manner, other than what happened, because now people see the other side and bacabanga ukuthi bayazi mara abazi,
Wednesday.
angenzanga nix. It was just,
What did
it happened.
you do?
It happened ngendlela esazi ngendlela like ngokuchazela usizwe kahle story manje nje explaining the story here will be but I'll explain.
What
Tell
did
you.
you do?
I didn't cheat though. I didn't
You didn't
cheat.
cheat. What did you do?
Didn't cheat. It was so what happened was things happened in a way of like kwabangathi ngichithile kanti no angichithanga.
So basically, you want to clear your name.
I'm clearing my name basically, and I'm apologizing. Good. I
No,
also went
because we
along.
have more than now abantu balalela, and their main question is what happened, guys. As tap in the comment section. Teddy talk.
Oh
Teddy
guys,
confess.
oh guys, oh guys.
Teddy talk. What did you do? Yabo no forcing uthi what did you do? What did you do?
I'm trying to explain what you're also in a way of cheating. It wasn't cheating. What happened was we were in a fight. I don't like talking about the story, but then we were in a fight. But we were in a fight, miscommunication about trust and everything. Because she didn't trust me going around. And it's not like I was going around meeting girls and everything like that. It was just collaborating with people and whatnot. Then during our fight, we decided to pause. Yeah, well,
But
during
so
that,
here's the thing
during
about me and my collaborate. I'm sorry to interject.
yeah,
Slow molas.
short interject
Yabo,
and keeping on my
Teddy,
diction.
you guys have a tendency of konjibizwa ngani umuntu ofletha kakhulu ngamanga Teddy.
Yeah. They do.
Ungathi they do now. You used to flirt with
I
me.
mean, I used to.
With
I used to.
me.
With that?
Me.
With you?
Mm.
Definitely.
What? Yeah, but
Ngithi,
so sometimes there's too much flirting. It's unnecessary. You understand?
nah, it's not even about that.
When
Like,
uzima kaposta uyakhomenta. Usilimkhathini maka uyakhomenta. Ngizothini intombi yakho?
it does like that, that
Akusho
mentality
mina
crowd.
kusho abantu baku-TikTok. By the way, angiyilandeli indaba zaku-TikTok. Basishare bona ku-TikTok, but you get what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, I
Shout out to
get
Msizo
it. I get it.
Dolores.
Nah,
You understand? So,
honestly, I
Tabanga,
do.
I mean, already we crash South Africa. You know? Hey, bayakuthanda ama-2010. So that's pressure already. Ngapha usafletha nabanye abantu abaku-industry. How would that make you feel?
Exactly. You see now, manje uthathe itshe ntwana walibeka la ekhanda lami. Yo, ngiyasindela.
I'm just asking.
But then,
Uzosindela vele ngoba iqiniso liyasinda. I'm just asking.
Image, listen to this. It's not like I flirt. Some of them are just people that like, yeah, but well, it's all of them are people that I know. So I'm just commenting, yeah, but like they comment on my post. It's not like in commenting thing I see like it's
Angeke
paid.
ucommente uthi I'll buy you 15 cows. That's flirting. That's not commenting.
Yeah,
Oh, ngadlala wena. Futhi
yeah,
angemfihleli.
15,000.
Eh?
Futhi zincane for wena.
Well,
But but then okay, I'm being real. I'm being real. It does like that, so I've grew out of that. Like, yeah, I used to do that. I'm piggy. Yeah, I used to feel like, yeah, I'm that guy. My boy used to do things like that, comment there. But it was not everyone got that comment, young boy. But then, yeah, boy, it was a waste of my energy. And
because
I
for
feel
sure
like ever since I
you
started,
lost the best of the best. Premium now, yes.
yeah,
And it's to buy the premium.
well, the premium,
Yes, masonke.
I get it. Honestly, I'm glad I left on my side. I'm glad
Do you
I left.
think there's still a chance for you guys to, reconcile?
They could be, but nah.
Can I apologize on your behalf?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Why not?
1, 2. Cela uxolo, cela uxolo sithandwa sami, cela uxolo, cela uxolo mangonile, cela uxolo, cela uxolo muntu wami. Ngabe ngazi ukuthi amaphutha azosibeka la. Baba Teddy, sithanda kakhulu.
Shout out
Sithanda kakhulu, eh?
Sandanam dog.
Yep. We're apologizing here. We're apologizing. We're fixing families.
Let's go.
Like I said, who else?
I have some stories, but you want to take another life?
I think I'm enjoying the lives, eh?
The lives are nice.
We're fixing.
Huh?
You get it?
Huh?
Like I'm saying, we're fixing families. No family would be left unfixed. A small.
Nah.
Chopper uzapologize ukuba chopper dlala ngathi zobona.
Okay.
Nina nithanda ukufaka abantu la.
Uxolo, cela
Cela
uxolo,
uxolo sithandwa sami.
cela uxolo,
Cela uxolo mangonile.
uthi
Right?
angikhale mfethu, hayi
Right?
uthi angikhale, uthi
Ukhalelani?
angikhale, ngifuna ukuxolisa kuyena mfethu, hayi
Kubani?
sithanda senhliziyo yami mfethu, hayi
Uxolisa umthini.
uthi angikhale, uthi angikhale, hayi cela ukuthi bethi nawe uyabuka lana mfethu, cela ukuthi uyabuka naye lana mfethu, angixolele mfethu, angaqondanga mfethu, sengibulawa ikhaza manje, kunzima, ngidla mfethu, ngidla every day, angiphekwa mfethu, ayi ngikhathele mfethu, mfethu ingubo zami ngiwashe omama kwi-laundry mfethu, ngifuna hayi ngikhathele mfethu, hayi
Asibhalele inkondlo.
ngeke mfethu.
Asibhalele inkondlo Chop.
Uzolunga mfethu, hayi
So
uyangihleka.
Rasek. Khala nawe. Sibhalele inkondlo Chop.
Cela ungibhalela mfethu, ngihambise kuyena mfethu, ngeke.
Okay, lalela ke Mtsholo. Ngabe uyini? Mtsholo? You left Chopper crying in pieces. Ubani igama lomuntu wakho?
Hayi ngifuna isigaba lakhe.
Ngoba baningi. Bye-bye. Ngoba baningi. Bye-bye, Chopper. Bye-bye. Ngazi baningi.
Kodwa ngifuna isigaba lakhe. Bye.
Ubani? Angeke ngamusho. Baningi kabi. Ba-O3
Uyisho kanjani leyo nto mfethu? Ungixolela kanjani ubutshela abantu baningi?
Chopper baningi. Uyazi. Qiniso.
Hayi makusimxolisa. Kuye loyo.
Chopper axolisa.
Yedwa.
Ubani igama lakhe? Asimkhiphe 3, 2, 1. Who?
Bye. Hayi.
Bye-bye.
Eh?
Some of these people
Someone know what?
these people want real stories.
They want real stories.
They want you to accept them. People really want
Oh.
But let them come.
saying that some of these people just want to talk to you.
Okay, but like let them come with real stories. Okay, skhetha abantu zami zokhetha. Mhlambe mina I'm getting my friends.
Call me Lauren.
Ubani?
Lo.
Lo?
People pants.
Hello. Oh.
They really want real stories.
Kodwa abasho nje. Wandile Khumalo. Real stories. Bathi nina nifuna ama real stories.
But okay, just ask them to type in the comments if you want.
Yeah,
Type
okay.
in the comments, share your story and then we'll select.
Or umuntu ofuna ukuxoxa leyo real story. Akasho ngimi accept manje.
Yes.
Yabo?
So you write your story in the comments and why you want to apologize and then we keep the
Yeah.
Happy birthday boy. So lo muntu ofuna real story lo akashayela kuma comments azisho.
Let me tell you.
Damn, it's been 2 hours. It's so nice to interact with you guys. I didn't know this was so
And
fun.
obviously not to make phone calls because you can't.
Akuzwakali ngama phone calls.
That was
But-
the only one. Someone said I'm apologizing to my mom. I took her money by mistake. I took 2,699 by mistake. How do you take money by mistake?
How do you take 2.6 in a mistake? But it's fine. We would like to apologize on behalf of you, mommy. Uthi ucela uxolo ngale. Uthathe u2.5, 2.6.
2.699, 2.7.
The 2.7 le. Uthathe nga mistake. Sorry. Zinqumela uyivenda. I'm joking phela now.
Not getting any stories. What's the one that you screen grabbed and showed me? I don't know. Try to drop this one.
Sithathe bani?
Can. Oh, you just wrote.
Cela uxolo, cela uxolo sithanda sami, cela uxolo, cela uxolo mangonile, cela
That's
uxolo.
an interesting question. You're asking, do you know how to DJ?
No, I don't know how to DJ. I don't know how to DJ. I don't know how to DJ. Actually, I'd like for you guys to apologize to me. Let's change the story. No. They must apologize, Madam Kid.
Okay.
So, I find myself in a situation where I'm bullied
Why are you bullied? How are they bullying?
on TikTok.
What are they saying?
They say I can't dress, bruh. And it's been a thing. Like the way we think, ngakhona noma ngigcokile bathi, "Oh, namhlanje umncanyile akufani."
Ah.
I'm not making it up. Bukanas bayazazi. So,
That's good.
like,
Is anyone police to apologize to Mandela?
hayi manje bafaka abantu. That's a dangerous one. You understand? Like, unless guys ngikhona ukugcoka and nani ban honest kimi. Ngidisa ngikhona ukugcoka mina.
No, that is absolutely that is not.
I know how to dress.
That is not. You shy.
Please apologize on me. Tell us I'm apologizing again.
Oh, ask them what must you wear then?
Oh, ngigcoke mhlambe. Maybe you guys have better suggestions. No, Shem, I don't wanna lie. The way it was a thing, ne? Bengithi mangipost. But yo, today ngigcoke guys. I feel nice.
I'll let you know.
Yeah, ukugcoka ama-plastic.
What plastic?
I think maybe I dress too much creative arts, so Like izinto is too creative.
They want to see it.
And then, you know, some other people don't understand.
Thank you. If you don't get it, don't get it.
But you only to tell you which one hurts me the most. You know how Twitter people like bane sense of humor bahlakaniphile kakhulu. Omunye wathi mina ngigcoba ngathi ngi-first year yaseRens.
Nah, Tuna says that to everyone.
Bro,
Tuna says that to everyone.
athi ugcoka amakhashakasha ngathi i-first year yaseRens.
See, they want to know when are you releasing the book?
That's Friday. Now, in 3 hours. Yes. Color is, yeah, it's shopping, right? Yeah, but Mara, I don't see a problem in your fashion. And guys, be honest, maybe nina niyangchuta, no, because nifuna ukuba nice. Even honest, nifuna ngigqokeni. Ngigqoke Louis Vuitton nePepper, ngigqoke Gucci, ngigqokeni.
I agree with you.
Someone said, "Man, I'm calling Samuel for not asking you out with purpose sooner than later."
Okay. It got raised this. You understand? You're creative art people. Hello, Susan Zalo. How are you doing? My favorite. The favorite. One as maestro. Okay, so everyone is watching for him.
I hope my partner forgives me for always making him feel less of a man and disrespecting him.
Yo, that's deep.
So, like, wait, okay, this is a conversation, I guess. So, do girls do that thing on purpose sometimes
What?
to make a man feel less of a man?
It depends on the kind of female that you're dating. For example, you know, sorry.
Noise.
But oh, hey, it depends, man. Bafuna ngigqoke Amir.
I'm taking it in, Pink.
Kwazi Amir moli.
Okay.
Yo, Amir. But uzohlangana nela.
Kanye, the vocalist, she has an apology.
Angibaboni. Mina, I don't see these people that you guys are talking about.
Request Kanye, the vocalist.
Okay, the DJ stopper. Mara kuzoba ngathi ngifaka abantu bami. So let's add anyone there because it seems like ngathi ngifaka abantu abaziwayo kakhulu.
We're not forgiving people that cheated.
Ubani Kanye the vocalist akayekho la.
But take some requests. Take some requests.
Like I'm a request onke la. Who am I gonna accept?
Let's
Like
take anyone. Let's see.
okay.
Someone says you didn't read them and do it, July. Why won't you apologize?
I didn't greet them in Devon July, so I must apologize.
That's Nishma underscore.
I'm sorry for not greeting you. I'm sorry. Uyabona lento uaccepta kuphi?
Accept her.
Eh, oh. It's not the home language. It's not the home language. Mina ngizoaccepta abantu bami kithi yabona ke.
Accept yeah.
You can take in whoever else is in the request because I feel like people are requesting and you're not taking them.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I mean, I'm accept to stop. Stop 1 minute.
Okay, stop.
Oh, you keep it soon.
We're not judging those apologies. I think these are more of get to know your question because you get people asking what's your home language.
Uxolisa kubani? Uxolisa kubani futhi? Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila mina ngithanda ngithanda
Uyadelela stop. Awubona ukuthi nginomuntu la.
ngithanda yabona le bengizoyisho ngithanda ukubulisa lo sisi onaye manje
Sorry.
so wow eish kwenzakala
I said I'm sorry. How?
ni right kodwa
Ngiyaphila njani?
hayi ngiyamwezela ngifana nani hayi ngiyanibona nehead anake shawo
Sidlile ngisho sabafazi abakhulise kahle. Siphekile. Siphekile.
Joe, 20%.
Angikuzwa. Oh, ifoni yami. Angikuzwa. Stop angikuzwa ngempela.
uyangizwa manje uthi nenzeni ngokhuliswa kahle
Khulise kahle siyapheka sipheka ipapa makoti ngiyadlala
la.
bazikabafu
Le papa lela mhlobo kuyiphuthu engathi porridge.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Ungasinyathi.
Yo, mhlonipha ngama-takeaway la ekhaya.
Ungasithatheli phansi buti.
Maybe lo sisi lo phambi kwakho uyapheka. Maybe yena uyapheka. Ubheke ngibona inzipho. Cabanga suba mphinifa ngenzipho enje.
It's the modern day technology.
Cabanga uzofaka ipapa ku-air fryer. I'm sure.
Yes, why not? Deep fried pap. Gen Z, baba.
Asinayo seyiphelile use.
Kuphele wena apologize. Bathi siku-Wi-Fi yase-KFC eniyatelela nina bazi umuntu yo.
Ile yamala eselibrary.
Hayi nina niyacelela man.
Ile yaselibrary.
Hayi amara bayibona lento no.
Iyajemanyana.
Don't treat us like this.
Ayike sana. Hayi benginibingelela bakwethu. Hayi akunani nje. Ngibonisa uthando necare.
Ubani?
Yayibona. Ngibonisa uthando necare. Hawu.
Okay.
Continue.
Siyabonga uthando lakho. Good luck on your release. By the way, he's releasing a song. It's a hit. Nama?
Nama. Uzongubani? Kanti yini manje?
Iyatrend ngoma yakho yebo. It's trending on WhatsApp. It's sorry. Ngathi ngingabhemi tashi ngijikijele.
Uthikela ini? Ithi ngathi ngabhemi. Ngivalele kamereni. Khali gqoka ithi tu.
Bukusalayo. I mean, I'm within 5.
Hayi.
How?
Someone said I want to apologize to my boyfriend. Oh, sorry.
Huh?
I thought you were gone.
Someone
said I want to apologize to my
so rude.
I thought he was gone.
Nice.
I want to apologize to my boyfriend. I'm using him to get over my twin brother.
I'd like to apologize to my boyfriend. I'm using him to get over his twin brother.
Must be where it is.
Who is it?
Must be tied.
I want to apologize.
No, let's keep them anonymous.
Get over his sin.
Koipa. Koika. Konjele privacy.
Okay.
Yeah, Poppy Act.
Poppy Act.
Fresh print of whatever. Kuningi.
I think the TikTok was weird.
Yeah, true. Very true.
No, it's coming. But are you answering any requests? Are you taking any requests?
I definitely am. But the TikTok was where.
Yeah, I think we should go. We're gonna go back to TikTok.
Shall we play like TikTok?
I'm feeling TikTok, friends.
Hi.
Bella.
Okay.
Bueno.
Kisha.
Wait, Sala.
Ria apologize.
Poipa, mama. Popia.
Popa yona le.
I apologize. I like to apologize to my brother for what.
Unless you're skipping on a Friday, eating call. So this one is dedicated for everyone who wants to apologize. Whether you cheat, whether you lie, whether you whatever, you must apologize.
And then best when I apologize, I'm bad.
Mina, I'm erring too wrong.
You're not too wrong. I was saying.
Yeah? I'm sorry.
Say, pero mutle kanjani wena?
Nginjalo.
Awusakhanya.
Into zami. Yandazi.
Ngiyakwazi. Yani ngithumiyene ke ma. Hello mama.
Awungidumedisi. Hello. Kanti abafana baseGoli banjani?
Guys.
Teng. Ka lebitso kwena mang wena mama?
Sakile.
Thabelo tsebo tle Sakile.
Okay, say apologize, Ala.
Oh, okay. I'd like to send an apology to all of my fans. I haven't posted in a while.
Your fans.
No, it's a joke, dude. It's funny how you didn't catch the pun. I'm so famous.
I missed it.
At least
I
it's
missed the
from who we
joke.
told. Officer
Yeah.
era humanyana.
I missed it. That's why I'm making up for it. Must I make up for it again?
Nah, it's okay.
Yeah. Bye-bye, points. Yes,
No, silence in Mama, that's nice talking to you.
Sharp. So it's good to see you.
Yeah. I'm gonna respond with my DM, dog.
What am I doing? Pushing it.
Okay, I'm trying to flop.
Bye-bye, pointy.
Bye-bye, mama.
Melo buzohlathia mas. Let's get a nice call.
Mama ka reach ile ka no mo fe di number tsa ka tu.
Ubani hayi wena umfazi kaBafolo uyakhula yini?
Yeah, SKB. Tena ke pause. A ke go ole o mong a re yena o batla apologize
SKB,
to.
tena ke pause.
A ke tsebe o etsala.
Pointy, bye-bye. So khuluma kakhulu.
Jolly pandemic la eMzansi siyashare. Whether you like it or
Bye.
not.
Uyacabuza. Pointy akekho right. Ekhanda lakhe.
Out of the request, I think you should take other people also that are just like not people that you know.
Okay, I am trying. I swear, I'm not taking people.
Katle.
Okay, let's take this one. Uzobana, they won't accept. I think they're shy or something.
Are you checking the request or you checking people that you trying to?
No, like, okay, so yabo ukuthi wonke lawa ama or languages kujonile. Sawubona.
Yebo,
Njani?
ya ngiyaphileka nangapha.
Yaphileka.
Yeah, mina ngithi just wanna apologize to my ex.
To your ex. Ndi
Yeah,
umenzeni ex nami.
yikho phela ukuthi sisabantu nathi siyaflopa empilweni. Yeah, like floppy, like quite a couple times with a couple
Cheat.
of people. Yeah,
Why will cheat? Uyakhala.
not really.
But wenzakaleni? Tempted.
Like sometimes we do beds, yabo. Then we end up doing things like playing games day or double day, 30 seconds, blah blah. See those things.
Gosh, that's crazy, yo. Okay, we would like to apologize on your behalf.
Are you gonna do?
Hopefully, you're not gonna do it again.
Yeah, I will try.
You will try.
Okay, fine. I'll do my best.
I'm sorry.
There's a reason why she keeps on doing it.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I won't.
Sorry, They are what they want to be anonymous. Not everyone likes the camera. Not everyone.
You the one that's sending the request.
I'm not. I'm accepting.
Oh.
I am accepting. Katlego. You know, I used to tell a lot of people lies and say my name is Katlego.
And that's
When even now.
Why?
My name, who group chats,
Yeah.
most group chats. Katlego. I don't. It works, trust me, because you know sometimes you need a straightener. You can't write your real name.
Yeah, for sure.
So you just ask your group in can you straight bona segala? Kusasa thina siyavuka yazi ngeZimbabwe kusasa so let's wrap up.
10 o'clock we're calling it last request.
Let us wrap up. ufuna hey uyamazi umazi kahle. Please accept. Yes, guys, when I accept, you guys don't. It's unable to join me.
Guys, and accept abaningi.
Kanja. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, it's accept. I voom. I'm going to Harare, Zimbabwe. We're doing a festival, I think. Yabona. Or it's maybe the Wi-Fi at just a chicken again. iPhone. Sa inyong azatari ko wo. I tried my best.
Hi. I'll just read a couple and then you tell me your thoughts.
Okay. Yeah, she's banana.
Right, I think. Choose Vivuya. Your
Quality camera. Are you guys aware of what network is? A bad network.
Okay, Mama Seven, my phone again. Please buy the phone. Never share confidential info. Ntombazane. Ubiza bani ntombazane wena.
Share confidential.
I never shared anything. It's network.
I ask forgiveness to my boyfriend, Denzel Formande, for everything that I've done.
What did you
didn't sit well with.
What did you do?
Denzel
Formande.
Denzel, they would like to apologize to you. Sakile when you apologize about
There's someone who said they were getting bullied, but I don't know if we must then say their name, because maybe they'll bully her more.
Don't say their name.
Must I say the story?
Yeah.
So I got tempted to join Istanbul Samkendo.
It's Istanbul.
Yeah. Samkendo. Must I say the surname?
Okay, so I got tempted to join Istanbul Samkendo Shezi, and people bullied me. I decided to quit and besides I changed my mind that I can promote my music. Uban Samkendo Shezi on Istanbul.
Someone wants to apologize. Oh, she said, please ask them to apologize for bullying me in my comments.
Please apologize, guys, for bullying. Owenza isithembu sesamukelo shezi. Guys, mina ngiyashiselwa yo kuyashisa la.
Yes.
Let's wrap up.
In rapid.
Ngiyezwa everywhere bathi. Hi guys. I apologize for falling in love with a beautiful woman whilst I'm broke. It hurts me to see I can't give her the heaven she deserves. Fine. It happens. Yeah. It happens. It happens to the best of us. When has the maybe uxolise kimi and uyazi wenzeni. Let's see. Ubani lo?
That's the ad.
Ayikho lento leyo. I don't know who that is. Guys, ngisaleni kahle. That's it from me today. Ningakhohlwa download ingoma yethu ephumayo. Iyaphuma kusasa.
Tonight, in 2 hours.
2 hours.
The new caller.
So, of course. So, nje ngifuna ukubona ngama tags, mentions, everything, everywhere, and we're going to be shooting something really dope for it. So, it's going to be dope to, interact with you guys and unfold the rest of 2024 from me and my crew. We're signing off. Motola, channel 1.7. Siyababopha.
Bashiye ngengoma.
It's a shout out.
Bashiye ngengoma.
Banzi. Kule ndlela yokufuna la novela. What's that? Elukolo sandusa. Elukolo mangondile. Ngishayelele high note. All right, guys. Thank you for the support. Bosho. Oh. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ngiyabonga support yenu Jesu. Ngabe what? Pupusa na mapalaba ni malibuna. Sabi ka na, kayo ba, Miss Mama?